All right, it's strategy time. In this video, we're going to learn two powerful moving average strategies, the golden cross and the death cross. Master these strategies and you can become adept at buying or selling any market on any time frame. Now, it's hard to overstate the value of a good strategy. Both the golden cross and death cross are time-tested and heavily traded. Now, as long as you're consistent with their application and your risk management, you can make consistent money trading these popular strategies.
Let's begin with the golden cross. The golden cross is a signal to buy the market. It occurs when a 50-period simple moving average crosses over the 200-period simple moving average. The golden cross suggests that there is a large-scale market imbalance and that a likely trend shift to the bull is possible. Now, this is what a golden cross looks like. Notice how the 50-period SMA crosses above the 200-period SMA, and the market, theoretically at least, rises accordingly. Okay, here's how we trade the golden cross. The golden cross occurs when the 50-period SMA crosses over the 200-period SMA. At that point, we're going to buy the market, and we're going to stay long until our ideal profit target is hit or until our 50-period SMA crosses back under the 200-period SMA. So as you can see right here, we're on a 4-hour Great Britain pound US dollar chart. There's a big bullish break, and we're waiting for our crossover, and bang, right there, we get our 50 crossed over our 200, and we are looking to buy the market. And as you can see, as we move forward in time, this turns out to be a fairly profitable trade. Why? Because our moving average is starting to diverge from our 200 period and our 50 period, and right there is our big payoff. So once again, that's an illustration of a golden cross and a pretty darn good trade with the Great Britain pound USD on the 4-hour time frame. Now let's take a look at the death cross. The death cross is a signal to sell the market. It occurs when the 50-period simple moving average crosses under the 200-period simple moving average. The death cross suggests that a large-scale market imbalance is present and that a trend shift to the bear is likely. Now, this is what a death cross looks like. Notice how the 50-period SMA crosses below the 200-period SMA and the market falls accordingly. Okay, let's trade the death cross strategy. This occurs when the 50-period SMA crosses under the 200-period SMA. We sell the market at that point, and then we stay short until our ideal profit target is hit, or a 50-period SMA crosses back over the 200-period SMA. You'll see our tan indicator is going to be our 50-period, and our blue is going to be our 200. So let's go ahead and let this roll. As you can see, our moving averages are close together. We are waiting for a definitive crossover. There's the big break, and there's our crossover. We're officially short the market, and we're making profits when price falls. So this trade in particular was a very good trade on the 4-hour time frame. Very, very nice way to trade the Great Britain pound USD.
Here are a few tips for trading the golden and death cross strategies. Number one, the shorter the time frame, the less effective the strategies will be. Using a daily chart is going to give you better results than using a 1-minute chart. For instance, a daily golden cross is far more likely to succeed than a 1-minute golden cross. Now, your best time frame is going to depend on your trading style and your financial goals. It may be a 5-minute, a 30-minute, or a daily chart. Do some back testing. Determine which is the most suitable for your trading strategy. Number two, when the markets go flat, the golden cross and death cross lose their efficacy. In sideways markets, there's a lack of volatility. This choppy price action leads to frequent crossovers and false signals. Take it from a market veteran. It pays to stay out of flat markets, especially if you're trading these cross patterns. Here's the final tip. Always use proper risk management. Dial in your position size and leave absolutely nothing to chance. If you do that, you can make consistent money trading the golden and death cross.